Okay, good evening, folks. It's 10:15 here in the UK on the 16th of March 2010. I'm just going to run through my daily analysis and sort of outlook for the next 24 hours. I'll start as usual with the Australian dollar, US dollar. Yesterday we completed the TDF sell setup, but as I said to the people in the group on my videos last night, and in my further sort of analysis today in the room, I want to kind of wait till we get some confirmation here. And I'm glad I did, obviously, because you can see it has gone higher. I'd like to see this 92.38 level tested first. Even the 92.51, I know that turns the market bullish, but I still expect we'll see a bounce from there anyway. You can see here the last two TDF setups have called the top and the bottom quite well, and also, once we've hit the bat support level, we had that surge lower there, and okay, we went through it a little bit here, but we still got the bounce higher after it, and that's still continuing. So, breaking both of these levels at the same time should eventually bring about a bit of a well, I would call it a sort of a bear squeeze, and then the longer term bulls would come back into play here. So in the last hour we've actually sort of surged up to the 92.16 level. We've kind of dropped off that level now by about 30 points actually, just in the last sort of half an hour. But you can see here we're on bar 6 of sell setup on the 4 hours. We're on bar 8 on the 1 hour. We're completing the setup on the 30 minute. It looks quite a bearish formation actually here, and you can see now it's still ticking lower. We just made the thrust bar on the 15 minute, and we made it on the 5 minute earlier. I still think it's too early to get involved. This is where you really gotta wait and be patient. There is a lot of good signals there, but we could still get those same signals tomorrow once we're on the ninth bar of the 4 hour setup. So I'd rather wait to get these 30 minute, 15 minute, 5 minute signals once we're on that ninth bar of the sell setup on the 4 hour and we're somewhere within this 92 zone. I really don't think we're going to get much higher than that, so I'd rather wait. It is kind of hard to say, but I can't see us making this new high now and not going up to challenge this level, because this is the important level to the market. So, I kind of believe that it's got to be traded. So, I'm going to just hold off. It looks like we're actually going to remove the bearish thrusts high to the close. So, that's another reason why we should probably at least be springboarded up to the 92.38, to the 51, to the 77 on the weekly level. So yeah, that's the main focus at the moment. I'll just quickly run through some other pairs, but you can see this euro pound now has removed this level. It's heading lower, which I don't mind at all. If we get down to this 88 level, be looking to buy any bearish thrusts we make. I'll be looking to buy a retest once they're removed to the close. The euro yen, euro US dollar, and the pound dollar. All of these pairs last night, as I said, because we held these key levels, I could see us taking out the resistance levels, and we're going to do that today. We're going to remove that 1.5200 level. So I think this should now bring us up towards to hopefully challenge this 5700 level here, which would probably take this 9 count out of play and see us move lower in the coming weeks after that. We could possibly keep heading higher until the election and then head lower following that. But this should now kind of give us a springboard. It's going to be a bullish outside bar. We've made a new low today, and we're going to close above the previous high, so that's going to be like a bullish outside bar. It's quite a big turning point signal for the market, I think. So yeah, it'll be interesting to see what like the follow through is on that. The early signs were already there with the euro. Same thing. We held the level to the close last night, and you can see we're heading higher now. So again on the euro, this will get us up to the 1.4 level, which will become more favourable to sell at that point. Pound Swiss franc trade is it's not a good day really for it, but it's just on the back of all the pound strength. What can you do? We'll just sit tight on this one. Hopefully it heads lower in the longer term. And again, pound yen. This 138.99 level is getting closer, and I'll be keeping a close eye on that. US CAD has been heading lower again today, so we're still a long way off of getting a proper setup there. And US dollar to Swiss franc is getting closer to this 498 level, so again, just keeping a close eye on that. And finally, the US dollar yen is just basically doing nothing. As I've been saying, we're sort of glued to this 90.55 level. So yeah, so basically, I mean, there could be some action here in Aussie dollar in the Asian session. So anybody who's watching it and been looking at my levels can keep a close eye on it. But it's going to be 7 a.m. tomorrow in the UK by the time we open this ninth bar on the 4 hours. So I'd prefer to see where we are at that point and what sort of counts we're showing at that point. So yeah, that's everything. Any questions, just ask me on the forum or on Skype. Good night. Cheers.